Monday the 9th, 3:40 p.m. He did not sleep with me last night. Why are you mad at mommy? He won't even look at me. And he bit me yesterday. I don't know. He went to bite, hooked a tooth. Can't even see it because of the flash. See that big old black and blue? He hooked his teeth. You mad at mama? We're busy. I love you. Butterfly. You don't like them? They like you. Are you mad at mommy? Were you trying to bite the orbs off me? He gets very angry and bites. Yes, my tree is still up. I don't give a shit. It's fucking freezing out. It's 14 degrees. Where's Saul? And where are they going? You hear them hitting stuff? I do. Right across my lap. 3 and 2. There's the diamond ones. Wow, what the hell? It's crazy in here today. No wonder I'm lightheaded and dizzy. Lightheaded and dizzy. Holy shit. I'm potty mouth today. I think these are my own personal orbs. Yep, they are. That's because I got a tummy ache and I've been in the bathroom. Oh, what was that? 1 minute and 28 seconds. Oh, there's my bird. Hello, stringy bird. Hello. Yes, I say hello to them. Because I'm crazy. Oh my gosh, my tummy. Mama got tummy ache, baby boy. Come lay on my tummy, do purring and love. Yeah, you love mommy? Why don't you care right now? Why don't you care? Love me. So, that's the chicken leg. Chicken leg, I want you to love me. I got tummy ache, come. Come do love. My hands are, they're not good. Come do love on mama. Love, right here. Right on my belly. That was a big old orb. All right, you know what? 2 minutes in, I'm tired. If it's no, it's no. I'll go get Soul. Not a big deal. Why you look at me like I got 18 heads? He doesn't like the orbs. He tries to attack them. It's Leanne, my PTA. And I'm going to go see the stringy thing and what those bubbly things were. Be love, peace. You better change your attitude, mister. We're going to have a little chat.